Hello boys and girls and welcome to our phonics for this week. First of all, can you read all of these sounds? Maybe you might want to sing some of the songs for it. Remember they are on the YouTube channel. We've got that playlist of phonics songs if you feel like you want to sing them. So go through all of those and then come back to our video. Here's a little job for you to do. It says read the sentence and draw the picture. So you need to have a go at looking at all of the sounds there, see if you can read the sentence, and then draw a picture of what that sentence tells you. Now, this is our sound for today. Now, we've already looked at this sound last week, but if you have a think about it, we said there were two ways to say this sound. Do you think you can come up with both ways to say that sound? Yeah, it's an oo or a u. Sometimes it makes an oo sound, sometimes it makes a u sound. And we just have to be able to do a little bit of switching around and figuring out which one's right. So what I want you to do is see if you can think of as many words as possible with an oo or a u sound using this digraph, the u and the e. Are you ready? Remember, it can make an oo or a u sound. You don't have to write the words down, you can tell somebody if that's easier. Great work. Okay, we're going to go through some of the words that you could have used, but rather than me just showing you them, you can play the dice game again. Now remember, if you've got a dice, you roll the dice and you read the words. So if you rolled the number 1, you would read cue, argue, rescue, continue, statue and value. All of these have got that U sound, the U and the E making the U sound. If you don't have a dice, you just pick a number and you decide which ones you're going to read. So have a go at that now and then press play. This is the same sort of thing, but instead this time these are all the words that use the U and the E to make an OO sound. Remember, this digraph can be a U like the words you've just read, or an OO like the ones you're about to read. So this time these ones are going to be an OO sound. So choose your number or roll your dice to decide which ones you're going to read. Okay, now that you've had a go at reading some of those words, you've got an idea now of which ones use the U and which one use the OO, and how you can use the U and the E to make both of those sounds today. So we're going to write some of our own words now. So listen very carefully and I'll tell you those words. Remember, you can pause the video in between each word if you want to, or you can just write them down. It's up to you how fast you want to work. It's okay to rewind and watch the video again. That's absolutely fine. So the words are argue, blue, statue, and glue. I'll say those again. Argue, blue, statue, glue. Remember, the OO and the U are being spelt with a U and an E today. Have a go at those and then press play when you're ready to check them. So here are those words. If you've managed to get the U and the E digraph making the OO or the U, which happens actually at the end of each of these words, give yourself a tick. If you manage to find any of the other sounds in those words, absolutely fantastic. Give yourself another tick. Well done. Now I'm going to finish here, but if you would like to, you could go away and put those words into some sentences. That's a little bit of an extra job if you would like to. But we're going to finish there for today and we'll come back with a new sound tomorrow.